Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. So I'm back again with a new video, and this video is also of English work. And as you all know, in English class we study or we learn about phonics, and phonics are letter sounds. So we are going to learn a new letter sound in this class. So let's have a look on that letter and learn the sound of that letter with me. Look, here is our new letter, and the sound of this letter is a. A. What is the sound of this letter? A. This is a, and we trace a in a manner that start with this dot, down, turn, go up, again come down. A. A. Now come and again trace it with me. Start from this dot, down, turn, up, down. This is A. A is for unhappy. A is for unhappy. Oh wow, look at this. What is this? These are stairs. Like we are going upstairs. We are going upstairs. So A is for upstairs. A is for upstairs. Now you have to take out your English picture book and come to page number 21. And here on page number 21 we have a letter. जो लेटर अभी हमने पढ़ा था ऐसा ही एक लेटर हमारे इस पेज पर भी है. अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि वो लेटर कहाँ है. Yes, here it is. And how we trace this? Starting from this dot, come down, turn, go up, down. A. Trace it once again. Down, turn, up, down. A. A is for umbrella. A is for urn. A is for up. A is for under. This is a umbrella, a urn, a up, a under. Now it's time to do the copy work of a. So you have to open your English Step 1 series copy. English Step 1 series copy, page number 137. On that page you have the letter A. इसको आपने trace करना है. And how we trace it? Start from here, come down, stop, touch the line and turn, go up, come down, touch the line. This is A. Now make it once again. Start from here, come down, follow the dots, stop, touch the line, go up, come down. This is A. You just have to follow the dots. Start from here, follow the dotted line, and it's a. A. Look, I have done my work. Now you have to do your work in your copy. You have to do all the three pages 137, 138, and 139. Okay? Okay, kids. Now, after completing your tracing work of in your copies, it's time to complete our school copy work. Now, take out your school copy and come to page where your teacher has written a. वहाँ पर आपकी टीचर ने आपको इस तरह से इनिशियल डॉट्स दिए होंगे, ठीक है. What you have to do, you have to write a with the help of these dots, ठीक है. और कैसे लिखेंगे? Start from this dot, come down, stop, touch this green line, turn, go up, stop, again touch line, come down and touch the line. See, I made it. It's a. Now, in the same manner, you have to make all the a over here. Start, come down, stop, touch the line and turn, go up, stop, touch the line, again come down and touch the line. You have to write a in a proper way by touching the lines. ऊपर वाली लाइन से भी टच करना है, नीचे वाले लाइन से भी टच करना है properly. Okay? Now we are going to make one more a. Down, stop, touch the line, turn, up, down. A. A. See, I have done my work. Okay, kids, now you have to make a picture of unhappy face like this on the blank page and write the spelling of unhappy below this picture and then color the unhappy face. Okay? So this is your school copy work. Writing of a and unhappy face. A is for unhappy. Okay, kids, so it's time to say goodbye. I hope that this video will help you a lot in learning the new letter sound and its vocabulary words. And this is also clear that how you have to do your copy work in a proper way. So it's your turn. Do your work in a proper manner and submit it to your relevant teachers. Take good care of yourself. Bye, everyone.